Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. This video I'll be walking you through quadratic forms of logarithm. By the end of this video, you will understand how to handle quadratic problems on indices. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe if you have not subscribed before. And also you can reach us on our number, and also you can drop email. Now let me try to solve this question one by one. By now, you know what is called quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, it means degree of unknown is 2, and you are having two possible values, two answers. We call it roots if it is equation, but if it is expression, we call it what? Equation. Factor. We stop at factor. That is where. Okay, now but we have quadratic factor, we have quadratic equation. And also there are two types of quadratic equation. You can go and watch our videos on quadratic, and we'll see that. I want to work on this, given that this equals to this. Solution to this problem. Solution to equation 1. I have this log, this 2x minus 1 plus log x plus 2 and equals to 3. Now, this is what I have, and this is what I want to work on. What I just need to do, I will have log AB can be written as what? Log A plus log B. Now, since I have that, it means I'll be having log A x minus 1 and also log x minus plus 1 equals to 3. Take note of this. Now, is a base 2 rather, because the base are equal. If the base are not equal, please, you can't do that. Take note of that. Now, I can decide to multiply this one by 1. What is my 1? I can call it what? Base log 2, which I'll be having 2x minus 1 and x plus 1 equals to 2 raised to power 3. Now, can I open my bracket? I have 2x squared plus 2x minus x minus 1 equals to 8. This will be 2x squared. This will be plus x and minus 1 minus 8 equals to 0. I just collect I subtract 8 from both sides. Now, I think I will be having 2x squared plus x minus 9 equals to 0. What can I do? X and this, it will be 18. I don't need to be thinking of factor because I can't generate factor here. We are talking about minus 18 and plus 1. It's not possible. I will say that my A equals to 2, B equals to 1, and C equals to minus 9. Now, I'm running through my quadratic formula, which is I'll be having x equals to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac. Please make sure that this root cover everything. Now, divide, and make sure that the division cover everything, because there are a lot of problems that always occur here. Some people will write it b squared plus or minus of b squared minus 4ac. This is very, very wrong. You must cover it to this level, or if it is not covered, you have to put brackets. And division must not, you have to put it like this. This is very wrong until you put it like this. Please take note of that. And these are the silly mistakes that always occur, and we teachers normally mark on that area. Now, it means my x will be equals to minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 squared minus 4 bracket of 2 bracket of minus 9 or bracket root divided by 2 bracket of 2, which I will be having x equals to minus 1 plus or minus I have 1 plus, because plus will happen here. This one will be what? 8. That will be 72 bracket of 4. Now, my x will be equals to minus 1 plus or minus root of 73 divided by what? 4. Now, my x will be equals to, what can I do? I think I need to press calculator here. Permit me that, which is I'll be having minus 1 plus or minus 8.455 all over 4, and x can now be equals to minus 1 plus 8.544 all over 4, or minus 1 minus 8.44 all over 4. Now my x will be equals to, here will be 7.544 divided by 4, or minus 9.544 divided by what? Now my x will now be equals to 1.886 or minus 2.386. That is what the answer is. Can you see? I'm just working on the quadratic formula, and that there's nothing added. Now, this one is a very straightforward question. Let me quickly solve the question 2 here because of our time. Question 2. Solution. Now, when you have, I have 2 log base 3y plus log y squared in base 3 also equals to 4. Then y is, you are making y the subject. That is what they are trying to tell you. It means I can write this as log 3y squared plus log 3y equals to 4. Now log 3 bracket of y squared, and oh, there is a problem here. There will be x. This is x, sorry. This is x. Panically, sorry. X. Now, I think I'll be having bracket of x, which is equals to 4. Now, at this point, I can answer that log base 3y squared x will be equals to what? 4 log 3, which I'll be having. Permit me to rub this side. Okay, I can use it, I can manage this side and also have what I want to have. Now, it means y squared x can be equals to 3 raised to power 4. 3 raised to power 4. But the man asked for y, then y equals to, it means my y squared will be equals to 3 raised to power 4 divided by x. I just divide both sides by what? By that. Now, I can now decide that to square root the both side. Square root the both side. Square root the both side. Now, or you multiply both power. Multiply both power by 1 all over 2. By 1 all over 2. This will cancel. Y will now be equals to, I think I'll be having 4 multiplied by 1 all over 2 divided by x raised to power 1 all over 2, which my y will be equals to 3 raised to power 2 all over x all over root of, which is going to be what? 9 all over root of x. That is my y. Now, the second is the last question, which is the third one. It's very, very simple. And let's see how it will come. Okay, look at this question. We're having log x squared plus 6x equals to 1.4314. We are finding x. What I just need to do here, log both sides, and log both, antilog both sides. It means I'll be having x plus 6x equals to 10 raised to power 1.4314. Take note of that. Now, at this point, I will antilog. Antilog, please take note of this. I will antilog this particular area. It means antilog the RHS. Now, antilog the right hand side, which I'll be having x squared plus 6x will be equals to 27 when you find the antilog. I've done my own, and you can try your own. It means for 0.43 under 1 difference of 4. You have this. and is 1 point. It means we are moving it 1 point. I think so. Okay, since I have x squared plus 6x minus 27 equals to 0, I think what can I multiply? It means I'll be talking about 9 times 3, and minus will be here. X squared minus 3x plus 9x minus 27 equals to 0. X bracket of x, 3 plus 9 bracket of s 20 equals to 0. My x plus 9 and x equals to 0. My x plus 9 equals to 0, or x minus 3 equals to 0. My x equals to 9 minus 9, or my x equals to 3. That is my answer. Okay, I think I'll be stopping here. By now, you are okay with logarithm. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching.